So for marinating, we need garlic, thyme, egg, onion, flour, paprika, salt and pepper, milk, and chicken. And for coating, we need flour and cornstarch. And for the sauce, we need milk, flour, red bell pepper, thyme, cheese, mixed vegetable, and garlic. And also we need butter and stock. So for the chicken, you need to take out the skin. So after i-tenderize ang chicken, pwede na siyang i-marinate. So add the flour, egg, milk, salt and pepper, garlic, and add paprika, and thyme. So after this, slightly massage it. So after mixing the marinated chicken, cover it with cling wrap. Then place it to the refrigerator for 1 hour. So while nasa ref ang chicken, i-prepare na natin ang sauce. Add butter, then slightly melt it. So kapag melted na, add your flour. So gagawa tayo ng roux. After making a roux, add your onion. Then saute it hanggang maging translucent. And then add your garlic. And thyme. So once it aromatic, i-add nyo na ang milk. And slowly add your milk. So you need to dissolve the roux sa milk and whisk it constantly. So kapag na-dissolve na lahat ng roux sa milk, add in your stock. And you need to heat this until thickened. Kapag medyo malapot na siya, you could add in your mixed veggies and red bell pepper. So after adding vegetables and red bell pepper, you could add your cheese. After adding the cheese, slightly season it with salt and pepper. So adjust the salt and pepper sa prefer nyong taste. So we're done sa sauce. So, after marinating for 1 hour, we need to dredge it from flour and bago natin iprito. We have flour and cornstarch and mix it well. So after mixing the flour, we need to dredge the chicken sa flour bago natin iprito. Pat the excess. Deep fry this for around 15 minutes. So do this per batch kung ano lang yung kasya sa pan nyo. So after 15 minutes at golden brown na yung chicken nyo, so pwede nyo na siya tanggalin.